Hi guys! I am in one of my favorite places to be, my RV. Some time ago our friend Will Prowse made a video of it and I read the comments. They were funny and sweet. But today I want to give you a tour, a more detailed tour of my RV, and tell you about the things that I would like to change and maybe get your comments about doing it versus not doing it. I present to you Minnie Winnie 2005, 22 feet long. We see the main rear back door, which is really wonderful because the bathroom is in the back. So when people need to get in just to use the bathroom, they don't need to go into the living quarters. Here we have our garage. As we move around, right here we have the batteries, 2 of them, LPG, and something that is really awesome and I always forget to use is that it has this stereo system. Look at this. Oh look, it has an aux, a CD player. This is really awesome. It also has an outlet, a cigarette charger. I have this privacy screen here. I'm gonna leave links in the description. On this side we have the generator, my plug-in. Over here we have the hoses for the black and gray. I am curious about this. Oh, this is a shower. This is an outdoor shower. Look at this. I also forgot that I have an outdoor shower. Awesome. All right, in the back I have motorcycle ramp. So this one I lower all the way down, mount my scooter and secure it, and then I lift it. And I need to contact these guys because over the winter this thing got all rusty. Moving into the interior, One of the biggest debates that I have is to keep or remove my dining booth. I really like it the way it is. I really do. It's just that I don't use it as much, and it's more than what I need. I usually travel solo, so I don't need all of the space the two benches give me and the large table, dining table. I have done some measurements, and I can see that I can fit a desk under the window. And that desk could be my eating space and my working space. I also want to wallpaper the back wall where the bathroom door is. But I'm not sure if I want to do wallpaper or paint. What do you guys think? I know wallpaper would be a lot of work, but paint is so typical. I want to do something different and something that will represent me. I also want to remove the light fixture above the dining table because it's very outdated. I don't care for the brass finish, so I think I want to do a matte finish on the handles, all the hardware. My bed is so comfortable. I love being there. Instead of having the mattress that it came with it, I have done. I removed the original bed, and instead my bed is made of two mattress toppers. The first mattress topper is firm, and the top mattress topper is very squishy, it's very comfortable. And I did it that way so I can have more head clearance. I can actually sit on my bed and my head is right on the ceiling. But I love it that way, and also gave me more clearance from my big TV. It is so cozy to be in my bed, and I have that big screen TV right on my feet, so the distance between my face and the TV is not very long because I'm only 5'2". Another upgrade that I did to my RV is I added two max air fans. One that is above the bed and the other one is in the bathroom, so I get a really nice airflow. So what do you think? Should I remove the dining table? Should I keep it? Will I lose resale value? Also, the wallpaper or paint. I hope that you enjoy the tour of my RV. Ask me any questions. I'm going to put some links of the items that I have purchased for it. Prior to purchasing them, I made sure they have no lower than 4 stars, so they have good customer reviews, and in the future I will be making my own reviews. So thank you again for watching this video, and I would love to hear what you think. Until the next time.